The new, the competency-based curriculum did not start with the CS Magoha. I found the train already moving. So I took it over from there and moved it energetically together with all of you to where it is now. The most important thing that the government must remember is that CBC is not a money guzzler. That's one. It is not a money guzzler. You just must make sure that you get value for money. And it is not going to be easy for government officers to get value for money because they have a culture of doing things in a particular manner. Are we together? And the best example are these classrooms, which we have done at 788,000. And I can tell you that people who completed them, some of them have bought cars, some are doing well in business. So if they get an officer who is going to make sure that there is zero tolerance to corruption within the ministry, that would be the biggest thing because the money is actually there. It would then mean that they embark on another set of classrooms in the new year because we still need another set of classrooms. If it can be done at around this price, it will be extremely good because that is the only bottleneck that I'm seeing. They will also have to invest in teachers, and you know Dr. Ruto's government has already pronounced himself in public that he's going to employ 56,000 teachers in 2 years. So that will give us an automatic answer to the teacher requirement for CBC and others. I think basically everything else is in place. The books, the policies that were made even before I came there, like every child having a book, that is going to continue on a one-to-one basis. So I think, in my view, as I go, the elephant in the room is getting value for money. That is a disease, and it's not only in my ministry. It's everywhere. We have 544 billion shillings as a ministry. People see that money